I am Steve.
Imagine if Elon Musk played Steve in the Minecraft movie. Sounds wild, right? Well, today, I'm going to show you how to actually make that happen, using AI. We'll be using Pixman's AI Replace feature, which lets you easily swap faces, hairstyles, or even products in a photo with just a few simple steps. Then upload a photo of the face you want to use. Use the brush tool to highlight the area you want to replace, like Steve's face. There are no noticeable flaws when you zoom in on the image, and the replacement matches the original image perfectly. Beyond face swapping, you can also use AI Replace to try on new hairstyles online. Replacing product images in e-commerce scenarios, such as replacing e-commerce scenery items, is very efficient. This is powerful tech, but use it responsibly. Don't violate image rights or use it maliciously. If this tutorial helped you, hit like and leave a comment. I reply to everyone. See you next time.